All right, today I have a Mitsubishi Outlander, and I'm going to show you how to operate the windshield wipers, the rear window wiper, the windshield washer, and the rear window washer on this particular Mitsubishi Outlander. I'm going to go through all of that. But before I get started, if you find this video helpful in any way, can you give me a thumbs up as well as subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, so let's get started. So I'm behind the steering wheel of my Mitsubishi Outlander. Now, in order to operate the windshield wipers, I'm going to look through the steering wheel. And you see this right here? This lever right here? This lever is for the windshield wipers and washer. And I'm going to go through this for you. All right, and so right here is the lever. Now, say for instance, you get a mist on your windshield, okay? You get a little mist on your windshield, a couple of drops on it. They have a mist option or mode for the windshield wipers, and you simply get into that by taking this lever on the right hand side right here and going upwards. And when you do it, it wipes it one time. You see that? It wiped it one time to get the mist off of the windshield, just like that. And then when you release this lever, it turns off. It goes into the off position. Now, if you want the windshield wipers to be in auto mode, to where they automatically turn on and off depending on if there's water on the windshield, you can take this lever and you can go down one notch to the auto. Okay, so I'm going to take this, go down one notch. It is now in the auto, and it automatically detects. And then there's an auto switch right here where you can change the auto frequency, how fast it goes on and off right here. So you can take this right here and you can adjust it to where it goes to adjust the speed of how fast it goes when rain is actually going on the windshield. You can adjust it by using this knob right here. Okay. Now, if I want to manually put it in low mode, not auto mode, okay, I just take the same lever and I go down another notch, and is now in the low mode. You can see it's going on its own accord right here in low mode, non-stop right here. So it's going, it's in manual low mode, and it won't turn off until I either turn the vehicle off or take this lever and switch it out of the low mode. If I go down one more notch, it is in high mode. Okay, so now that it is in high mode, the wipers are going high, and you can see this right here. It is in high mode, and that's for like torrential raining. You know, this is the highest it goes. Now, to turn it all off, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this lever and I'm going to just bring it all the way up, release it, and it turns off just like that. Okay, and so that is how you turn on the windshield. Now I'm going to go for the rear window. Okay, so right here, in order to turn on and off the rear window, I just simply go right here, and it is in intermittent mode right here. Intermittence. Okay, so it lines up right here, and the rear wiper is on. Now, to turn it off, I'm just simply going to take this and go like that. All right, so that is for the wipers. Now, moving on to the windshield washer. Okay, you want to wash your windshield. Occasionally get dust or bird poo on it, and you'll want to wash it off with the windshield washer. So I'm going to take this lever and I'm going to pull it towards me. And when I pull it towards me, you can see windshield washer fluid comes out on the windshield and washes the windshield. And it'll take a couple of more swipes at it before it goes back into position. All right, so that's how you do for the windshield. And for the rear window, all you have to do is take the same lever and then push it forward. Oh, didn't do that right. Take this lever right here, and on the end, take your knob, and it spins down, and it wipes and washes the rear window. It washes the rear window. Maybe you can see it right here. Washes the rear window. All right, and that is how you wash the rear window. And when you're done, just release it, and it is done, and it goes back to being off. All right, and so that is how you operate the windshield wipers and the rear window wiper on a Mitsubishi Outlander. That's how you operate the windshield washer and the rear window washer. I hope this video has been helpful. Thanks a lot for watching.